So hello student, we are going to do today class 7 mathematics, composite mathematics, exponents and power. Till now we have completed question number 2. Now we are going to do question number 3. So see what is given in the question number 3. Express each with a single exponent. Means this we have to express in single exponent. So why single exponent? Because here two exponents are given and we have to express this in single exponent. Okay. So before expressing, you should know all the laws that will be used to express this in single exponent. So what are the law we are already having? We have already discussed. That first is when a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That means base are same and multiplied and power will be added. Number 2, base are same and divided and power will be subtracted. Number 3 law we are having that x power m whole power n is equal to x power m into n. So which law we are going to use, we will see from here. Okay, so next is xy whole power m is equal to x power m into y power m. So these are some of the laws we will use to find out this answer. Okay, so first which one law you will use? See this one and compare with the law. So which law is matching with this expression? You see this law, x power m whole power n, 3 power 2 whole power 2. This law is matching with this. Now we have to solve in this way. That means what it will happen, that the power will be multiplied. So it will be 2 into 2 which is equal to 3 power 4. Next you see same it is 2 into 3 which is equal to 2 power 6. Then next one, so it is minus 5 whole power 4 to the power 2. Okay, now here one thing you have to note. Okay, so one thing you have to note that minus 1 whole, if power is even then the result will be positive, and when power is odd then the result will be negative. Okay, this one I will show you with an example. Now you see, if minus 2 whole power 2, then it will be 2 square is equal to 4, and if minus 2 whole power 3, then it will be minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. It means minus is multiplied 3 times, that means odd number having, then it will be, see 2 to the 4 to the, it will be minus 8. It means when power is odd then the result coming always negative, and when power is even then the result coming positive. Now you see here minus 5 whole power minus 5 power 4 whole power 2, so it will be minus 5 whole power 4 into 2 which is equal to, we can write minus 5 whole power 4 to the, how much? It will be 8. Which law we are using? We are using this law, sorry this law, number 3 law. Okay, so next one you see, here power will be multiplied, so 1 by 5 whole power 4 into 5 which is equal to 1 by 5 whole power 4 5 is 20. Okay, clear? If you have any doubt then please write in comment box. Next you see 1 by 3 whole power 7 into 3. Now it will be 1 by 3, 7 3 is 21. It will be 1 by 3 power 21. This one how we will solve? Here you see 5, it will be multiplied 5 into 4, sorry 5 into 3 into 5 power 4 into 8. Then how much it will be? 5 3 is 15, so it is 5 power 15 into 5 power 4, 8 4 is 32. Now you see here which one law you will use? We will use first law. First law what saying? When base are same and multiplied then power will be added. Base are same and multiplied then power will be added. So how much it will become? It will become 5 15 plus 32. That means power will be added. Okay, I will rub this one. Now see how much it will become. So it is 5 power. So you add 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 4. So it is 47. Understood? Okay, next you see. So first I will do this part, again this part, then we will use this law. So first to solve this one we have to use this law. So it will be minus 1 by 3 whole power 2 into 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole power 4 into 5, which is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole power 2 3 is 6 into minus 1 by 3 whole power 5 4 is 20. Now you see base are same. What is base here? Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and multiply, then power will be added according to first law. So it will be minus 1 by 3 whole power 6 plus 20, which is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole power 26. So we have completed question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. It is question number 3. Now we will go for question number 4. So see student, question number 4 given, you have to simplify. Okay, so we have to simplify this using these laws. Okay, these are the laws of exponents. So you always remember this law. If you remember, then it will be very easy and you will understand very quickly. Next you see number 1. So it is given minus 2 into 10 power 3 whole power 2. Now which law we will use here? So we will simplify. See, when we break this bracket, when we remove this bracket, then this power will first come to minus 2, then it will come to 10 power 3. Okay, this power will first come to minus 2, then it will come to 10 power 3. Now what will become? See, minus 2 whole power 2. So it will be, how much it will become? Minus 2 whole power 2, it is minus, see here power is what? Even. So it will be, here how much it will be? Minus 2 whole power 2, you can write 4 into, see 10 power whole power. So it will be, power will be multiplied 3 into 2. So it is 4 into 10 power 6. So if you multiply, then it will be 4 into, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this will be the answer. Next part you see. So it will be, this power will be multiplied both sides. You see, which one? This one. A into B whole power m equal to A power m into B power m. This law will be using here. See, this one you consider A, this one you consider B whole power something. Then this power will be applied here, then again power will be applied here. Understood? So it will be minus 1 by 2 whole square into 5 square. So you see power is even, then it will become positive. So it will become 1 by 2 square into 5 square. So which is equal to 25 by 4. 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So this 5 will be multiplied above. So it will be 25 by 4. This is our answer. Next you see. See, when bases are different and power are same, then which one law you see? Bases are different and power are same. Power are same, base are different. Means base are different. Then it will be using this law. That means this will be multiplied. So it will be 21 by 19 into 19 by 7 whole power 4. Power are same, so whole power it became. Okay. Now you can cancel out 19, 19 and 7 3s. So it is 3 power 4, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. It is the answer. Next you see number 4. Minus 3 whole power 5 into, this one you can break out as 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. Okay. Now you see, this one you can write minus 1 whole power 5 into 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. Now it is multiplied, then we can cancel out numerator and denominator. Okay. So this is numerator, this part is numerator because 1 always remains in the denominator part. So these two we can cancel out. Now minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1, because since the power is odd having, then the result will be negative into 2 power 5. So minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So it is minus 32. This is our result. So we have completed question number 4. Okay. Okay, see students, question number 5 given, simplify. So this one also we have to simplify by using the law. So if you do not understand the law, you see my previous video. I have already discussed very well about the law. Okay, now you see this one you have to discuss. Here which one law I will use? You see base are same and divided. Base are same and divided. This is divide sign. Base are same. These are the base. Base are same and divided. Okay, base are same and divided. Then power will be what? Subtracted. Okay, then power will be subtracted. So we will write the base once and power will be subtracted. So it is 5 power 1 which is equal to 5. Next you see base are same and divided, then power will be subtracted. So it will be 10 power 11 minus 8 which is equal to 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10, 10 into 10 into 10 which is equal to 1000. Okay. Next you see base are same, then power will be what? Divided. So it is minus 3 whole power 10 minus 6. So you can write minus 3 whole power 10 minus 6 is 4. Now you see this power is what? Even having. Now we know even if having, then this becomes positive, and if odd having, then this becomes negative. Okay, so our sign will become positive. So it is 3 power 4. Now you multiply, expand it, then 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81. So if you understand, if you do not understand, please reply in the comment. Okay. Next you see bases are same, base are same and divided, then power will be, you know very well, power will be subtracted. So bases are same, you see, so we will write the base once and we will write the power and we will subtract. So it is minus 4 by 5 whole power 2, which you can write minus 4 square by 5 square. So minus 4 square is 4 4 are 16 and 5 are 25. So this is our answer. You see power is even having, no, so it will be positive. Okay. Next you see bases are same, then power will be subtracted. So it will be 5 by 6 whole power 6 minus 6, and you know very well 5 by 6 whole power 6 minus 6 is 0, and anything to the power. So we have one law also, that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it will become 1. So you completed question number 5. Okay. Masuka.